Antimatter does not exist anywhere in space, it never existed. All the elements that caused the creation of the universe matter during the huge explosion known as the Big Bang are here before our eyes. We just need to carefully and understandingly observe the universe matter and the processes that take place inside it. After the collision of two parts of matter known to us, there was a huge explosion or Big Bang in the visible part of the universe. The products of this great explosion are pure energy, radiation of all kinds, but also fragments of various sizes. The largest fragments created during the explosion began to attract smaller fragments with their magnetism, but also energy, and the matter we see was created. First, by merging larger fragments, the invisible and unimaginable celestial body space core was created, the same one that exploded, only reduced by billions of times by the fragments and energy that flew further into space. From the moment of the recreation of the space core, the space stopped expanding and moved in the opposite direction. It began to return to its original state. From these fragments that flew further into space, galactic nuclei, black holes, were formed, which began to attract other fragments with magnetism, but also energy, radiation of all kinds. Due to the enormous pressure, hydrogen was first formed from energy and then all the other chemical elements of the periodic table, which were attracted by the magnetism of the nucleus from the fragments that formed first the stars and then other celestial bodies. Of course, the matter and celestial bodies known to us did not come into being quickly or easily. The process of creation has been going on for billions of years and will continue for a long, long time. How long so far we can only guess. The only thing that is certain is that the universe will return to its initial state, singular. It will be divided into matter which is composed exclusively of gamma radiation and neutrinos, which is very unstable, and matter which is composed of other types of radiation, which is very stable and is characterized by unimaginably strong magnetism. When the final division of matter takes place with the help of its creator, there will be another collision, a new big explosion and the creation of the universe matter as we know it. This is the shortest and simplest possible explanation of the creation and end of the universe known to us. In the following clips, I will explain how and where matter separates into two initial parts, then how light and energy form hydrogen and other chemical elements, as well as all other mysteries in space. Until the new video, greetings.